Mike, guess what day it is? Guess what day it is? It's after Christmas clearance time! Yay! Yes, guys, it's time for after Christmas clearance. So, you guys know I love a good clearance sale. It just warms my little heart. So, I always love going shopping to see what is left after Christmas. Last year, there was nothing left, like absolutely nothing. The year before, I scored a ton of stuff, mostly Christmas decor, but this year, I wasn't on the hunt for Christmas decor, although I did pick up a little bit, but we're not gonna tell my boyfriend that. But yeah, so this year, I was on the hunt for something different, something that would be more useful than just Christmas decor. So, let me show you what I picked up. We're gonna start with Target. So Target, I have been watching a lot of Target videos, and they were showing some really great stuff. So I went to my closest Target, and I was able to find a few things, not a lot, but a few. One of the things I picked up that I thought was a great deal was this Cantu set. Again, I told you I am not picking up a lot of Christmas clearance, but other items like these gift sets. So this was, it was 70% off, and I want to say it was $4.99, so $5. $5 for this. There's two big containers here and this one here. So yeah, a great deal for $5. So I picked that up. That is actually going to be a gift. I also found this. It is a EcoTools hair drying towel. And I picked up not one, but two. I believe these were $2.99, which I thought was a great deal. I really do need my receipt. I also picked up these were 70% off, so these were $3, and these are actually face masks. So there's 10 in each box. I didn't think that was a bad deal, so I picked those up. I also found, sorry for the rattling of the paper, this little gift set that you can use on your feet. I believe it's for your feet. Yeah, it's a volcanic footstone, if you could see that. And this was $1.99, which I thought was a great deal, so I picked it up. Sorry for the shaking of the camera. I don't know why it's shaking. Hold on. Not any better. But anyway. So, again, I apologize for the rattle of the paper. I also found this lip tin full of lip smackers. It was 70% off. Again, I don't know what the price was on this. I should have kept my receipt so I could tell you. But I picked this up, also from Target. Now we're gonna get into some Christmas items. I saw this cute little mailbox. It was 70% off. It rang up for $2.99, so I picked up two of these. And I also, sorry about that. I also found these really pretty Christmas stockings. Now, you guys know my colors are black and white, but I thought I would do something really whimsical for my grandchildren for Christmas next year. So I am going to be using red. Shocker, right? Red is going to be our color, our pop of color for next year, along with my black and white items. But I picked this up. This was $1.99, 70% off. Now, this has an I on it. None of my grandchildren's names start with an I. However, I thought I could flip it over and put their initial on it, and no one would be the wiser. And I got a great stocking for $1.99. So if you see something out like this and it doesn't have the initial that you need, you could take it off completely. It'll be perfectly fine. or you could leave it and flip it over. So I love this. I picked up 4, one for each of my grandchildren. And oh, I also found a bunch of these cookie cutters. So if I could get this one open. These were normally $1 before the holiday, so they are 70% off now. So sorry for the light changing. It's a dreary day outside. So this one is a little gingerbread man. So cute. And it was 30 cents. So I picked up a gingerbread man, a candy cane. I keep hitting the table. Whoops. A stocking. So cute. So I thought I could make gingerbread cookies with my grandchildren next year. So cute. Then I also found this from Threshold, and it was $9.99. Original price on this was, I think, $30. So I didn't think it was a bad deal. Was it $30? $25. So not a bad price. Absolutely love it. So I picked that up. And that was everything that I picked up from Hobby Lobby. Now on to Kirkland. Yes, I said I wasn't going back to Kirkland's, but I did. And I shouldn't have, but I did. So to go along with the red for next year, I saw these cute little napkins, red and white. These were $5.99, so $6 at 66% off. So what is that, 2 something? I thought it was so pretty. So I picked up a set of 6 of those. I also picked up these tags. They were 70% off. They were $2.99. And I thought they were so cute because it says Santa approved. So I picked up 3 packs of those. And I saw these really pretty napkin rings. Now, these I can use year round. Absolutely love them. These were like $1.23, and I thought they were perfect. You cannot tell that these were Christmas related. So I picked those up. I picked up 6. And then I saw these. I want to have sort of, you guys know I had a deer thing this year, and I have some deer napkin rings, but not as nice as these. So I picked these up again, $1.23. I thought it was perfect, and I picked up 6 of those. Also, oh, sorry guys. You guys know I am going to have, you hear the jingle bells? Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell rock. Oh yeah, Christmas is over. But I saw this really pretty table runner in red, and I thought that would look perfect for my Christmas table for next year. It's got little tassels on the end. It was originally $29.99. So I got it for $10 at 66% off. It's like $9.99. And I found these placemats that I thought were just the cutest little thing. Look at this. It's an off-white, but it's got little jingle bells on it. Ding, ding, ling, ling, ling. Oh my gosh, they're so cute. So I thought these would be perfect for my Polar Express theme next year for my grandchildren. Absolutely love those. I picked these up. These were, how much were you? $7.99 at 70% off. So absolutely love these. I'm so happy I found those. And that's all of what I picked up at Hobby Lobby. And then the last thing that I picked up, I got from Kirkland's. And I had been eyeing this particular item from Kirkland's for a while. And I absolutely loved it. It was $68, and there was no way I was paying $68. And it went on clearance, guys. I got this for $17.48, and it was the leopard leopard print. Look at that, so pretty. I thought it would be perfect. I have some fur stockings from Z Gallery that I got from years and years and years ago. Again, it was after Christmas clearance that I think this would be perfect with. So we are also going to use this in one of our rooms next year. So that is everything I picked up, guys. Not a lot of after Christmas clearance, or actually anything that was really Christmas. We got a lot of really purposeful things, and I'm so happy with. Oh, I forgot to show you. I also went to Walmart and I picked up these gift sets. This one is like a stress relief gift set. It was $4.99 because Walmart is 50% off. And believe it or not, my Walmart had quite a few items left, so I was really surprised. little, it's like a little, what do you call these? crossbody. Can't think. And I thought it would be perfect. It would fit my new iPhone perfectly that I got for Christmas. I'm so happy I got a iPhone 13 Pro Max, and I hope you can tell from the video quality and the sound quality, because I know a lot of you guys were saying that my sound was going in and out on my old phone. I used a microphone. Sometimes I would forget to use it, and so you would hear the sound disparities, but hopefully everything is much smoother, much brighter. I look pretty on this new phone. So leave me a comment down below. Let me know if the video quality is a lot better, as well as the sound quality. Also, the other items I got from Walmart were, and I am so sorry, I know this microphone is sensitive, and I apologize for all the rustling. I sincerely do. I should have taken this out of the bag, but I forgot about it. Are these cute little mixing bowls? Aren't these cute? These were $4.99 as well on clearance. I thought it would be perfect for my theme next year. And the last item that I got and that I thought would be perfect are these cute little plates that I picked up. They're from Better Homes and Garden. These were $1.49. I had originally looked for the little smaller ones that said cheer. I thought it would be perfect, like with a white charger, a red plate, and then the little plate that said cheer. But that plate was $1.99, and this bigger plate was $1.49. So of course I chose this plate, and I thought it was pretty. It's got the green and the red berries and says believe. Again, goes along with my Polar Express theme for next year. So I had to pick these up. I thought they were a great buy. So now that's everything that I picked up for my after Christmas clearance haul. I hope you guys have enjoyed today's video. If so, please give it a thumbs up. And if you are new here, welcome. My name is Cheryl. I love all things home decor, and I love decorating with style on a budget. So if that is something you are into as well, I would so appreciate it if you would hit the subscribe button and tap the notification bell and become a member of the iStylEMYSTYLE family, because I have tons of home decor and inspiration videos coming up for 2022 that I think you will enjoy. So until the next one, my friend, I will see you in the next video. Bye bye, guys.